Hi, this is Paizen and I will show you how you can set up Visual Studio Code easily. First, open any browser. Then search for VS Code download on Google. Then you will see download Visual Studio Code in first search result. Click on it. Now you will land on download Visual Studio Code page. Here you will see those download options. This one is for Windows operating system. This is for Linux-based operating systems and this one is for Mac OS. Since we need to download the installer file for our Windows operating system, we will click on here. Then it will say thank for downloading VS Code and the installer will start downloading. As I have already downloaded the VS Code installer, I will cancel the download. But you need to let the download complete fully. Once the download is complete, minimize your browser and open File Explorer. Go to the download section and you will see the downloaded installer file here. Just double click on it. Now this setup pop-up will open, asking for your agreement to their terms and conditions. Simply click on I accept the agreement, then click on next. Here it asks you to select the destination location, where VS Code will store its important files and folders. You can keep the default location, but I will choose a different location. Open File Explorer, go to the local disk D and create a folder named C_VS Code. Then go back to software installation pop-up, click on Browse, locate to local disk D, find the VS Code folder and click on OK. Then click Next. Now don't change anything here because it's unnecessary. Just click on Next. Make sure to tick the Create a Desktop icon option. Then tick other two options as well. Then click on Next. Now VS Code is ready to install. Just click on Install. The installation process will start. Just wait a moment. After the installation finishes successfully, untick Launch Visual Studio Code and click on Finish. Now search Visual Studio Code here and you will see Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Just open it. After opening VS Code, it will ask you to choose your theme. Click on Browse Color Themes. Here you will find some light and dark themes. But I will click on Browse Additional Themes. For example, I will click on GitHub Plus theme. It will show a warning to install GitHub Plus theme extension. Just click OK. Then you can explore the other options one by one. For now, I will click Go Back. So guys, I hope this video helps you to install VS Code perfectly. If it does, please support this channel and like this video.